Hello, back again with Prospect Channel Photoshop. Now this is a very beautiful cute girl, but she wants me to edit her by my taste. Yes, she's already my taste, but this is by her request from Fake Contact. Okay, so we are as usual going to use the liquify tool for this job. Very cute and beautiful girl. Okay, so we're going to make it like this. Put this like a little bit here. Here we're going to make her a little bit Korean somehow. Very cute. Now let's make it like a little bit of a Jenny Blackpink or something like that. Okay. Yes, hot, very hot. Now what we are going to do, make it to 100 would be good. We're gonna turn into more Korean type instead of a kazakh. She's kazakh, by the way. It's a very beautiful girl there, a Central Asia. Very hot, sexy girls there. Some kazakh girls have they have Asian face, but sometimes they have green eyes. Very unique people. You will never found out in America Asians like that unless they mix. But this is, I'm talking about pure Asians here. Turkic people, ancient Asian. Okay, they have a different face though from the Chinese or whatever you want to call it, that kind of Asian. Okay, very cute. She's my friend, but I won't tell you her name. Okay, put it here. Very nice, sexy. Okay, this is... Okay, now we got this mess here. Very nice. Right, here we go. Very hot, very sexy. I want to sex with her. So this is before, after. Okay, now what we are going to do next? Okay, very sexy, sex porno style, like the Japanese. Now here. No, that's fine. Okay, what about the lips? We ain't going to mess with her lips or sex, but it's kind of weird. We are going to use this tool instead. 150. Okay, make it there. Very nice, very hot. I like it. Nice. Now this. Okay. We clean the pink here. This weird right here. Now it's more pure, right? Okay, this is perfect, right? Let's do the first. This was before, this was after. It's a big difference, yes? Very nice. Let's make this one more deeper. Like sex, cream pie, Russian pussy. Oh yes, yes. Very nice. Oh yes, fuck my dick please. Very nice right here. Ta-da-da! It's very finished. Now before, after, before, after, before and after. See the difference? Thank you. That's the end of the tutorial today.